Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see in here, the daily candle finished, and that's what me I told you before. I told you there is no volume. Can you imagine that the volume of this daily candle? Look at it. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Look at it. That the volume of this daily candle. There is no volume. That's what me I told you before. I told you the big whales, they said they are not going to sell. We are not going to sell. Even me, I'm not going to sell. Even you watching me now, don't sell your Bitcoin, guys. Let anyone want to sell, let him to sell. So we are not going to sell. We want to change that correlation between the Bitcoin and the Nasdaq. It needs to change. We can't be following the Nasdaq. Actually, the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general, it's made for us to fight in the central banks to manipulating the market as the way how they want. All of us, we don't want those mad people to roll in us. But now, by the money they have, they enter to that market and they start manipulated. They follow the Nasdaq. We don't want that. Let your stock market to fall down. Let your currencies to fall down. Us, we believe in the cryptocurrency. We don't want any centralized guys. Remember my word. So as you see, guys, here, there is no volume today here. And also here, we still down in that 50 moving average here because the 200 is very far, guys. And tomorrow the weekly candle is going to finish it, so there is nothing confirmed yet, guys. And if you remember what me I told you have here a level. Each might is going to touch it here. Then after that, we're going to see if it's going to go up or not yet. But also when we are going to enter, guys, here, look at it here. When it came and breaking for us, that 50 moving average and the trend line here, I am the first one. I'm going to tell it to you guys is the right time. Now, what can we say for all long-term investors? You are in a very good opportunity, guys. Just they say it's better for you to buy it from now from 18k than to buy it when is it at 60 or 70k. I think that's my view personally. Let me show you what I got me in my chart, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. What I got in my chart, guys, as you see it, nothing was changed. Everything's still the same. We got here, that white one here is the long-term trend, guys. And here, that channel, as you see it, when it touches here, it falls down again. And we got here that yellow level, that one, as I showed it to you before. And I told you maybe from here it's going to drop, guys. And the same thing what it's showing here. It's showing that level is a big rejection, but there is no big volume to push it down, guys. I think we're going to go back to break that level here. And the view, we are going to go tell here, tell that zone here. And after that, we're going to see what's going to happen, guys. So make a close eye at those things. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscribed in our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all our analysis free, my friend. Or you can even join our Telegram channel, guys. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So let's continue, guys. Me personally, I think there is more going down, guys. But let's wait in the coming days what's going to bring to us. And tomorrow the weekly candle is going to finish it. And all of us, we know how is it the weekly now. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it came here to that wall here and he couldn't break it. But as I told you, there is no big momentum now to push down and no big volume to push down. And also we wait in the weekly candle how it's going to finish, guys, to tell us what the market going to do tomorrow. And I personally think tomorrow is going to go back up. So let's wait on those things, guys. And here in our indicator, also we still here in the control of the bears, guys. There is no buyers yet to push up. And as I tell it to you, also we are going to enter long here in the daily when it's going to break for us that level here, guys. When it break it, we will enter long, guys. Till now, it's still early. By the way, you my friend, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Helping us, guys, helping us to growing up more that channel. Without you, we can't be here. Because, my friend, without your like and your writing for us comments, also we will not put in those videos, guys. So helping us, guys, putting for us more comments and liking the video. So like that, we will not stop putting videos for you guys. You done it, my friend? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it, what it's doing here. If you remember what else we said before, we said we got here a divergence like that and like that. And we said we got another divergence here and here. All those ones, they indicating the market is going to reverse, guys. Yes, all those things, they indicating the market is going to reverse and there is a going up coming, guys, because look at it, we are in a very stronger level. Our indicator is at the oversold area and it gives us here a divergence, but the price action, guys, as I tell it to you every time, is not yet complete. So that the only price action is it here. Yes, there is a small head and shoulder here, but it's not confirmed, guys, yet. So the only price action me have focused about is that one, guys. It's need the market to come and to break for me here. If it's breaking for me here, I'm going to give you a signal to enter here in the daily, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification, my friend. So like that, when there is an investment signal, I'm going to put it for you here, guys. Or you can even join our Telegram channel, guys. Like that, you're going to be notified more quicker. I think everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here in the 4 hours, guys, if you remember what else we been saying here at that level here, that one here, what else we been saying, guys? You remember it or no? Here. And we said we got another one here. Yes or no? And here, by the way, there is the 50 moving average. That one here is the 200. And what that 200 is showing, guys? Look at it here. What it's showing? It's showing the market is flat. There is no volume, guys. There is no buying, no selling. And even the volume down here, that's what it's indicating to you. There is no buying, no selling. How it happened here. But that every time, guys, it's followed by a big move. So you need to make a close eye what is coming, guys. And here in the 4 hours, what we said we got here that triangle, that one, guys. That's what else we said before. We said either if it's breaking up, you enter long. If it's breaking down, you waiting, guys. Because also we said we are not going to enter short, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. And even in my chart, I got 2 channels. Let me show it to you, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. In my chart, as you see it, guys, I got here that level. And I got that 2 channels. That one, by the way, in the daily. And that one in the 4 hours here. So if it's going here, it's going to go till here, till that level here, maybe. Or maybe here. And after that, we're going to see what's going to happen. But me, guys, personally, I told you it's going to fall down till here. Till that zone here. As you see it. If you remember our previous analysis, guys. And here, look what it's giving you, guys. If you bring in something like that, guys. What you seeing? You see in the market here. It tried to give you here like a triangle like that. A small triangle here. Between those levels here. And that peak here. And down. You calculating all those dots, guys. So it give you here a small triangle, guys. So you need to make a close eye at that if it's going to break down or breaking up, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here, our indicator, guys. By the way, my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, please. Helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. As you see, guys, here. That our indicator, if you remember what me I told you here, I told you sideways, there is no buying, no selling. And now it's enter here in that wall. What that indicating? It's indicating the buyers and the sellers, they are equal, guys. That means if there is 10 buyers, there is 10 sellers, they got the same capital. That's what it means here. The buyers and the sellers, they are equal. So there is no buying, no selling, guys, yet. I think everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. That one, guys, as you see it, when it touch here the overbought, it's showing here we are in the middle, and here, as I tell it to you, the 50 moving average, guys, it's reacting here like a support. Let's see if it's going to come now and to break high. Here is going to be the best scenario happening to the Bitcoin, guys. I think everything is too clear here, guys. There is nothing hard here. Now let's go in, guys, to 30 minutes to see if there is a buying opportunity in 30 minutes for tomorrow to scalp the Bitcoin to earn some profit. So let's go into 30 minutes, guys, to see what is it there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, if you remember what I told you in the previous video, guys, I told you the market will give you here a flag here and here. It's very clear, guys, as you see it. You can just here, you close it like that. That's a flag, guys. And I told you either if it's breaking up here, you enter long. And if it's breaking lower, you wait more, guys. And who's going to tell you either if it's going up or not? It's our indicator, guys. If you enter long to take profit, guys, is here at that level. And as you see in here, guys, the 200 moving average was indicating to you everything is flat, guys. There is no buying, no selling. as you see it. Look at it here when it used to be trending. Look at it here when is it flat. And me, I tell it to you before, I told you the market is always doing like that, resting. Then after that, maybe it's going to fall down or going up, and that's what it's doing here, guys. If you see it here, that's a resting for the market, so there is no buying, no selling yet. But just for scalping, guys, you can enter from here maybe to here. You take in some profit because that level here is very stronger, guys. Because if you're looking with me here, what you seeing, look at it. It touched here last time, it fell down, and here it fell down, and even here he tried to break it but he couldn't, then he fell down, and now the same thing. And down, the same thing, guys. Look at it. If you bring it like that, what you're seeing, guys, same thing. You are in it now. Here it touches it going up. Here it touches it fall down. Same thing here. Same thing here. So you are in a very stronger level, guys. So we're going to tell also if we're going to buy or we're going to sell is our indicator, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's saying here also we are at the oversold area. That means also we need to look only for buy opportunities, guys. And the level I show it to you, I tell it to you here. Like that, you are in a very stronger level. So where is the price action, guys? The price action, you got here that channel here, that one, or that flag, or whatever, name it whatever you want. If it's breaking here, you enter long, guys. The take profit of you, it need to be here or at the last high here. That for day traders and scalper, guys. So for tomorrow also we're going to see the Bitcoin going higher, guys. It will not last for long, but just for day traders and scalpers, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.